Hello, my name is Chris Stinson and welcome to my tutorial for creating a remarketing list for Facebook. Facebook just recently introduced their own remarketing platform, which is what I'm going to show you how to set up today. Previously, you would have to use a third-party service such as AdRoll or Perfect Audience to actually do remarketing within Facebook. If you aren't familiar with how remarketing works, basically what happens is you add a code to your website. Once a visitor goes to your website, then a cookie is dropped on them, and then that allows you to actually advertise to people who have only visited your website. If it was on Google, what would happen is they would see your ads on places like CNN, Oprah.com, ESPN, or various places like that. So it's a little bit different because within Facebook, you're actually bringing them back into the Facebook, or when they're in Facebook, they're going to see your ads show up. So how you do this is you'll need to be in the Power Editor, which is what I'm in right now. And the first thing you'd want to do is go to Create Audience. Click on that. You have several options here. You want to go with the Custom Audience one. And it gives you several different ways to set up a custom audience. Data files would actually be maybe something like an Excel spreadsheet with emails. MailChimp would actually be emails. If you are actually a mobile app developer, then you can create a custom audience from that. But what we want to do is the custom audience from your website. So once we click on this, you're going to have the ability to add a name. So let's just go ahead and do that. All visitors. And then the next thing you want to do is put a description in. This is optional, so you don't have to do it, but I will typically put in at least a little something so that I don't get confused later on down the line. And save it for 180 days, which is part of the description up here. That's the max amount that you can actually save that list. So let's say, for example, somebody, if you get this installed and somebody comes to your website tomorrow, that cookie will be on their browser for 180 days. So you can continue to advertise to them for that time frame. There's also the custom audience pixel, which is the code that you're going to be adding to your website. You can get it here, or you can get it once the actual audience is created. And I did want to talk about the website traffic. This is pretty neat because right now we're just targeting all website visitors, but you can really get granular and deep into how you want to target people and maybe show different ads to people who have landed on different parts of your site. So you can do this based on, URL, domain, or path. But since we're doing one for all the visitors, let's just go ahead and click on that. And then click Create. And you'll get a thank you that your audience is ready, which is a good thing. Click OK. What you want to do is you want to take this code and have it added to all pages of your website. This will start building up an audience for you, and you can come back in and check the list size at a later date. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment.